What do you mean game bar?
Oh, I forget what it is. It's
That's
like
good stuff.
Control G.
Dude, it's so laggy.
Windows G?
Yeah.
What does that do?
What?
I
You
never
can just
used it.
record.
Oh,
You
can
can
you?
record your screen and it picks up your audio.
Only need that.
But I don't. Did it pull up? Yeah. Yes, you want to bring up.
You.
See, you can record there.
Nice, nice. Doesn't have the hardware
We're gonna do
requirements.
something.
Oh.
Bro, it's so
This
laggy.
computer's not good.
Awkward.
Okay, can you guys see my screen at all?
Yeah.
All right. How about you guys? You got your Chromebooks open?
Mina's just not happy. She's just tired. Mina, give
Whoa, Quentin laughed.
You
a,
might-
Mina, give a thumbs up if you're having a bad day.
Okay. Like I was saying, I don't know how well you're going to be able to follow along. If you have trouble, I'm going to try to record this, and then it might be easier to follow along the video later. I'm not sure that it will be. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to share the video, or that the recording is going to work very well, considering that this computer has had trouble recording its screen.
I think Lucas is watching Open Season right now.
So, I don't know. We'll see how this goes. James, sit down.
Lucas, what you looking at?
Yeah. It's kind of
James.
sus that you keep looking up there.
You have TV on, don't you?
It doesn't matter. Oh, a black screen.
He just turned it off.
All right.
Now he's speaking.
Now he's turning it back on.
Sheets.google.
Can I go into the Google Meet?
Just make sure you're muted, please.
My Chromebook
Your Chromebook's dead? 4 computers. Your Chromebook's dead.
Dude, I charged it last
Really?
night. It's still trash.
That's cat.
Then
How
you need a
did-
school computer. You can't use yours.
Mine literally lasts. Mine's only
Come on.
not 25%.
Magic Cat.
It is cat.
Wait, I want to bring.
It was working perfectly fine in English, Nicholas.
It says
We're
this
arguing
site.
about
Yeah, get
Panther
the charger. I don't know how to charge up.
This site's not reached.
and a panther and a jaguar are the same thing.
No, they're not.
Yes, it is.
So let me search it up.
Dude, apparently.
Oh yeah, they are. They're literally the exact same thing except different colors.
It's because
There's
of
only
the
me.
family during
Quiet, please.
No.
They're both panthers.
Yes. One's
But they have different, like,
colors. Like
Yeah.
me and you.
yeah.
Go us.
Dude, should I put on?
They have different hunting techniques too because panthers blend in the dark. So they're
Yeah,
not
different camouflage techniques.
Dude, that's why you should
Which one are we just
go
making
out
new
and
one?
buy the pants.
Yeah.
No.
Go us.
Oh,
We're both.
Okay, you guys, I just
Panthers
posted.
and me and Isaiah are both
Carter.
predators, but different ones.
Pay attention. I just posted on the classroom the link to the voting sheet that we did before.
Already loaded.
Did you see what?
Yeah, we're gonna go over tallying the votes.
Oh, we have to do that?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
Yeah, but
no, not the ones for the school.
Oh, yeah.
The medieval
Yeah,
house. What?
oh, I got it.
This is the houses, yes.
Dude, Liam's video was so good. We didn't get to see
We
it.
didn't get to watch it.
Yeah, can we watch it now? It's
Not right now. Not right now.
It was so
It
good.
was so good.
Wait, did they actually make a rap song?
Do you guys have this
Yeah.
link?
Yeah, we got it. Or at least I have it.
Vote.
All right. So go to File and
Like twice.
make a copy.
File.
How do I do that?
File, make a copy.
File, make a copy, and that's it.
That yeah. Call it whatever you want.
And then
Copy of A4 vote. Perfect.
That way you're not all editing the master copy.
Make a copy.
Master copy.
Okay.
that sounds like a Lego master builder would say.
Somebody's falling into the river at Lego City.
Oh, dude, that was great. The sky's the wrong color.
You guys all got
You're
that?
the rock.
Guys, stop please. Have you guys done this?
How did we vote for?
Isaiah, back to your seat. You too.
Don't forget your sweatshirt, guys.
If you guys go to the wrong seat again, you'll have detentions.
Yeah, you're fine.
I have not left this seat in 30 years. Don't antagonize me.
This is really weird.
Yes, it is. Okay, you guys all here? You got a copy of the vote sheet?
Yes.
We good?
Yeah.
Who's A?
Okay, so we've got everybody's rankings, we've got everybody's ratings, we've got everybody's multi-vote. And we have the top choice, which we can get from the rankings as well. And the preference schedule, I'm going to talk about that, but I'm not going to have you guys do it because we kind of have to do it kind of manually. And we're just looking at Google Sheets. We're not really studying the different voting systems. So I'll explain it to you, but we won't do anything with it.
How'd you go over?
Do you have this little bar?
Yeah, and I went all the way to the end and then oh, whatever.
All right, so let's make a new sheet
why?
down here. Down at the lower left, you'll see that little plus. You can add a sheet to this.
Twice.
And let's call this, we will call this, we'll call this multi-vote tab, results.
How'd you get there?
I hit the little plus
Oh.
down the lower left.
When did you write that?
When you hit it, you can change the name. You can right click and
Oh, right.
rename, or it should allow you to edit it the second you create it.
Oh, rename, there it is.
I'm gonna call it-
What did we rename it to?
Multi-vote results.
T Canyon.
I can't see, no.
Multiverse complex.
Sure.
Wait, is that in slash? Is that what the multiverse
All right, so for the multi-vote, we're just going to count how many votes each option got. So option A was Mediterranean, is that right?
Yes. Do we have to do that on 3?
Mediterranean I don't know how you spell it.
is? Do we put it on 3?
Wherever you, just, it doesn't matter.
I think that's actually how you spell it.
Is it?
I can tell you.
I could tell you.
You can do this however you want. You can make you can put them all like here in these 4 spots. You can make like, a box with it underneath it. Yeah, why don't we do that? Just to,
Modern.
so I am going to do something like this. Was modern,
And log
It
cabin.
was modern, log, and medieval.
Somebody put for mine, for the rating for the log cabin was -27.
Wait, what?
Look at mine for the rating for the.
A. Ron
Negative
Phelps.
20.
Did you
Like,
just
I
do
don't.
that?
I don't even do mine.
Yeah, I
Somebody
just-
else did mine for me.
Josie
somebody put-
Yeager.
is that correct?
Wait, who's Liz Rude? Oh,
Did you guys make a copy? Oh, yeah. Is that okay? I made mine like this. You can really make them any way you want.
So I could just go 4 down like that.
Yeah, you can.
Alright, that seems easy.
I'm going to make little boxes, so I'm going to hit the borders, and I'm going to do the border with all the lines drawn, all borders. So I've selected the Mediterranean and the box below it, so I'm going to have a little box where the number of votes goes beneath the title. And once I have those 2 selected, you could hold control and select everything.
oh, I should do that. All right, I'm gonna move these on.
Because that's a nice, lazy way to get things done quicker. And then if you go to borders and you click all borders, then I have my boxes formatted. Did that work? You can do that, you can do that.
That's what I was doing. I thought we were supposed to do it like that.
However you want.
Matter.
And I'm going to center mine so that they are centered.
How did you do that?
I went to this little alignment, horizontal alignment, and I click center. If you ever made your boxes like bigger, you can also, right to the right of it, there's vertical alignment, and you can center it vertically as well if you had to. What does this one do? Oh, text
Isn't it like
wrapping, nice.
insert graph or insert table to make it?
I think this is a table. Like if you can copy this and then paste it in Microsoft or into Docs, and then it would paste in a table.
We have 30 more minutes.
Insert. Oh boy, not that.
All right, are you guys ready?
Yes.
For this one, underneath Mediterranean, all you got to do is click the little sum button where it says functions. Well, I guess if you click that, it'll give you an option.
Where's this? Oh, functions.
If you don't see it, you might have to like,
It said
you should see it. Do you see this
Where
button?
is table?
Yeah.
You see this little sigma, capital sigma?
Yeah.
So I'm going to click that and hit sum. that okay?
Yes.
And now it creates equals sum with parentheses, and now it's ready for us to select cells. I'm going to go to sheet 1, and I'm going to scroll over to,
I have negative 27 on rate log for some reason.
I don't know what you've done. I'm going to come over to the multi-vote for Mediterranean, and I'm going to select, starting at the first number, and I'm going to drag down, going to the last number. And I can press enter. And now I see that there are 5 votes for the Mediterranean. Do you guys all have the same?
Oh, that's
Yes.
I only got 5 votes.
Okay.
I think I just put down.
I think I'm picking medieval for sure.
We're going to do the same for all the other ones. This one's probably the easiest
Oh, was
vote
that
to
the
do.
God one?
Yeah.
So go ahead and get the sum for the modern, get the sum for the log.
Oh, I forgot to do some. That's one.
So what's the next one? Modern.
Can't wait till I got
Yeah.
log.
Oh. The sum.
Somebody like modern. Who's 25?
Modern's the best.
I have a feeling, oh, log, 17.
Wait, what?
Go look at the numbers. That
You
is.
can place them wherever you want, and you put 3, 4, 3.
Modern, some.
Oh, you cheated?
I'm just gonna pretend like I understand what you're saying.
Wait, what do we do? Log or multi-log?
Multi-log.
Somebody really wanted.
Yes, people might not have voted properly. We might have to throw out some ballots here.
Well, no.
Mine is negative 27.
Negative, what?
I don't know. Somebody did mine for me, so I didn't even know what I put. So one of them is negative 27 for me. For rate log is negative 20.
Did medieval not win? I
No, medieval
swear.
won.
Rate log?
Medieval.
What?
Medieval and log tied.
I love.
The negative 27 didn't come into the factor.
What do you want for your things?
I don't know.
Just put 4.
We'll put it up 4 so yours is
Log 1 had a
useless.
lot.
No, it didn't.
Log's at 17.
Log and medieval. What?
Log's at 28.
Yeah,
Log's at
28.
No. You
That's 17.
read the column header. I think I went in different order than medieval's 28 and log is 17.
Yeah.
A bit easier.
Just change the title of your boxes and it'll be fine.
Oh.
No, I just had them both as 28.
You might select the same column in each.
Some.
All right, so medieval won, right?
Yes.
According to this multi-vote voting
Medieval
system.
is by far the best.
The idea here is like,
Well, is victorious.
who's running right now? We have Trump, we have Biden, right?
Greta Thunberg.
You also have a libertarian, Jurgensen, who's on all 50 state ballots. So let's say that like all the people who are voting for Trump will never vote. We just do not want Biden, and all the people voting for Biden do not want Trump. And let's say that both sides think that they don't really want Joe Jurgensen, but they would pick her over the other party. Does that make any sense?
Yeah.
So if people were using multi-vote, they might give most of their votes to Trump or Biden, but they might give a few to the Joe Jurgensen candidate. And if everybody's giving a few to the Joe Jurgensen candidate, it's possible that even though nobody gave them the most, that's when you put both sides together, a secondary candidate may outrank the primary choice from each side.
They would all tie.
It could turn out either way. So what's interesting is to see if with multi-vote, if there's a potential winner who's different than it would be if you only got one vote. So you can compare different voting systems. So that is the,
There you go, the bathroom.
yes. That is the multi-vote. We're going to do the other ones now.
Mr. Tunic.
All right, so make another sheet.
Yes.
And we'll call this one ratings.
Ratings?
Yeah, results. Whoops. I meant to put that to rename this guy. You can just double click the sheet 3.
Results. Great.
All right, this time, instead of sum, you can make the same little situation. In fact, I'm going to go to the multi-vote,
Yep.
and I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to paste it here. So it's all the same format, but I'm going to delete the numbers. So I'm still going to look at these 4 options. This time I'm going to do the same thing, only instead of sum, I'm going to choose average. And then I'm going to select the same range as we did before.
Average?
But this time, yeah, but this time go to rate Mediterranean. Rate modern. Find the average.
Did you rewrite or copy the Mediterranean modern log?
I copied and pasted them.
Okay.
You could technically edit the formula to say average instead of sum,
Do you want Raul to get in the Google Meet?
if you want. See how? Is he asking?
Yeah, he texted me. But he like just got home.
I see.
Should I say if you want to, you can, but he doesn't have to?
Yeah.
There's a negative 27. Hold on.
Yeah, I'll try to post a video.
Okay.
I'm not. Oh my, now I gotta redo it because of Brendan's stupid negative 27.
I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but well, he can try. He's going to be behind, but he'll just pick up where we left off.
Yeah.
I'll be averaging it.
Yeah, we're doing averages. Oh, look, log 1.
No, it's because you gave him a 4. So like,
Instead of the negative 27?
and somebody gave him a 5, and I don't think that's supposed to happen.
No. Well, you get the idea.
Give
So interesting that through ratings, I mean, these are all nice houses, so the ratings are all decently high. Is that okay?
and medieval. Medieval better.
Where were you replacing with the negative 27?
I put a 4 so that they're all the same. That way his votes kind of don't count.
So I put a 0.
I think I gotta read it. I got the same for log and medieval.
You did that last time.
I know. I don't know what's.
Those are a lot of numbers that I don't like seeing.
These?
Alright, now I know for sure this is medieval. Yeah, it's the exact same. Maybe I did it different. on
Did you
one.
put a 4 in for the negative 27, or did you?
That
I
still
put it
should
as
be the
2.
same.
So you might actually have close values. They might have the same. Yeah.
Wait, so what is what are we doing? Like what's like the second thing?
This is called rating results. So we're averaging the ratings for
Oh,
each
the
column.
new sheet.
So
Okay.
so when you go here, make sure you're going to the rate modern, rate Mediterranean,
Okay.
and average those columns.
Delete the negative 27 for
I changed mine to a 4. I mean,
Yeah, log and medieval are the same.
if you put it at 2.
Yeah.
So how do you get the average?
Wait, who's the one that cheated and put a 5? That's what I want.
You click this and
That
you
was
choose.
probably me,
You
'cause I
choose
didn't
average,
know. Was it
Brendan,
Okay. Oh, so I just did the same thing and just choose average.
instead of sum. Yeah. So this time it's going to add them up, but that's going to divide by how
Isaiah,
many
you're
things
the
there
one
were.
that cheated.
I did.
Yeah, you put a 5
For what?
for.
Definitely did that
You
wrong.
put like a 5 and a 4 for everything.
No, you definitely messed it up.
I definitely messed it up. Like maybe each time I rated something, it was right. Like
It's not that critical. It's not like the election or something.
It
You're
is.
not really getting the house.
Like the election is fair.
I know it isn't. It's already bogus. It's already going to the Supreme Court. I feel like.
Right.
Why even vote? Just send it to the Supreme Court.
You gotta vote.
I think the dead will be voting this time. All right, are you guys good with that?
So then I go back to.
We're gonna make a new sheet. And this is for,
Do I just go to the Mediterranean and it's all zeros, or do I go? Yeah. Alright, I got this.
I'm gonna add a sheet. This is called, I don't know. What do you wanna call this? This is single vote, like top pick or something.
What'd you get for Mediterranean? Cause I got.
One vote result.
Getting a call.
Huh?
Don't take it.
What'd you get for Mediterranean for rating results?
2.0.
I got 0.3125.
Did you click here?
Wait a minute, one vote result.
Click average.
Yeah.
You have to put average instead of.
And then you go to
But I did that.
multi-Mediterranean, right? You said
I
Mediterranean?
did this average and I got it.
Did you click on the
Throw
right
it
one?
over. I
No.
think so.
What just happened?
This is dumb.
I-
What numbers did you put?
That's how I got.
Oh, did I do multi? Yeah. Average.
Well, like,
Did I do the
is
wrong
it
columns?
2 point something, or is it like 23 or 25?
No, you got you did
I got,
multi.
I had 2 point, but it's
Is it close to the right answer?
I think
Well,
it's-
I'm doing rate. We were supposed to do rate. I'm sorry.
Oh.
I think it might
I was
just
right originally.
not have this.
Oh wait, then I did it right.
Wait,
Brendan.
where's the rate?
Average. You choose
Look at the top.
No big deal.
where it says rate Mediterranean.
Oh, so you do average.
Yeah.
Brendan, you goofy gumball.
All right. For the one vote, I'm gonna select everything again and copy it and paste it to the new sheet.
Are we adding it or average?
For which one?
The top pit.
We're gonna. It's not gonna be either of those.
What?
So delete the numbers.
That was me.
You might need to slow down.
Yeah. Yes.
Didn't you just go?
That was me, like. Oh, it's magic.
I'm going to this website too. I want you to-
It's tortellini.
What's tortellinis?
It's cheese-filled noodles.
Oh! So basically macaroni and cheese.
No.
No.
There is pasta sauce.
It's like a
I
white
think it's
cheese.
spaghetti, but with a kind of U-shaped noodle that's connected at the
U-shaped.
end with cheese in it.
Is it good or bad?
It's really good.
It's
really good.
it's
From here, I have no idea.
it's good. Yeah, it is good in general.
So should I get it or no? Or should I
No.
just get my regular?
Try it
Like
and
the
then
real
get a sandwich
pasta
with it if you don't like it.
Yeah.
Burger, smack.
What is it? Ricotta inside? Ricotta cheese?
I'll see what it looks like.
Ricotta is like the.
It's like a stanky.
I love me some frozen ricotta
Do
cheese.
you?
Plain.
That's what you're getting.
Not me. I'm not eating that.
Can you repeat the ratings? The formula you used?
I was so confused.
I was so confused for a second.
The ratings, you just choose average,
Dude, I'm gonna get.
and then you choose the.
Why?
Once you choose average, you go back here, and you go to the correct rating one, and you'll select the
Further, why do you say
row, and you'll average them.
that? I don't want you to do quarantine though.
Alright, thank you.
Yep.
Q and Michaela Kraut are both getting tested, and
Okay, let's try to
I'm
get as much of this done as we can before lunch.
What?
You ever been by them?
Michaela sits behind me in 2 classes.
Okay, so this one we're going to go into the rankings. We're going to use the rankings to do this one, and if you take a look at the rankings, like let's say for Mediterranean, we only want to count the people who picked this number one. So we're going to use count if, and we only want to count if the number in this column is a 1. So we're only counting ones.
Mediterranean.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to one vote results. I'm going to type equals count if. Do what I'm doing. equals count if, open a parentheses. You now have to choose the range. So I'm going to go to the Mediterranean, and I'm going to choose the rank. I'm not going to press enter though. I'm going to press comma 1. That way I'm counting ones. And I'm going to close the parenthesis and press enter then. So it looks like 3 people voted for Mediterranean as their top pick.
Yeah, it's terrible.
We're going to do the same for the others. Equals count if. And it's choose the range and then put in comma 1. I misspelled count. What was that for? That was for modern. Yeah, put in the range, then comma 1. Only 1 vote for modern, is that so?
Comma 1.
Wait, what's the
I got
next
1.
I got 4.
You're tripping.
I only see 1, so I don't know. For modern?
Oh, I did log.
Yeah, log I got 4. Log I got 4. Medieval. It's like medieval 1 if we were just going with 1 vote per person.
Hi, Nick.
So Nick, what I just did was for the single vote one, I just typed equals count if. We're going to do that. Do you have a new sheet for single vote?
1 by a landslide.
Make a new sheet. Hit the plus.
Medieval got 8.
No, it didn't.
I got 8.
For what?
Medieval.
It's tiny.
Press that one wrong now.
What?
Press that one.
Go.
Did you make a new sheet?
Good in this time.
I'm just gonna put 10. I got 8, but what else?
You ready?
I kind of want to join the Google Hangout because I'm bored. But at the same time, I'm not.
Don't.
Yeah, probably.
Okay, so for the Mediterranean one, we're only counting the people who ranked it number 1. So for Mediterranean, I'm going to write equals count if, one word,
Okay.
and then I'm going to open a parenthesis. I don't think you have to uppercase it actually. I think it'll take it either way.
Yeah.
So equals count if, open a parenthesis, and then go to your sheet 1, and you're going to select the values that are in the rank Mediterranean column. Don't press enter though after you select that range. Once you select it, hit comma 1, so you only count the ones. And then press enter. You should get 3 for the Mediterranean.
Then press enter.
Yeah. Or did you do comma 1, then enter?
Chris, how many
Yeah.
minutes?
Did you get 3?
I got 0.
0?
Put in any parentheses.
I put 1 parentheses.
That's okay. I don't know what you did.
13.
What's your question? Yeah.
12 minutes and 3 seconds.
Spend a few seconds. Well, what is multiple? You're just running math. What is when somebody says multiple seconds? How many does that mean?
More than 1.
Well,
No, it's more than
what if
more
it's
than
less
2.
than 1 right now? But it's not.
Multiple,
We just
not
wait till it's
couple.
exactly 12
Why is this
minutes.
minute taking for? Oh, you said multiple.
I mean, technically, 2 is a multiple of 2.
Oh, Chris.
Oh,
Hear that?
the plot thickens.
Okay, the last
What
one.
was that?
The last one we're gonna do, I think, right?
Alright.
Yes, yeah. I think this is the last one.
That was funny.
Thank you.
make it, you know what, instead of making a new sheet, just right click on the one vote results and choose duplicate.
Oh, no.
And that way we don't have to like copy and paste all this stuff into here.
You're a genius.
What do we name this one?
We're gonna call this Borda Count after a guy named Borda.
Buddha. That sounds like Buddha. Does he even play Fortnite anymore?
Buddha is a god.
Your mind is like Jeff Goldblum. It's like jump something with it.
I'm sorry, I did not mean to do that.
All right, so this is going to be Borda Count. What this does is it says every time you get last place, you get no points. If you get third place, you'll get a point for that. Everybody who picked you third would give you a point. Everybody who put you in second would give you 2 points, and everybody who gave you first place would give you 3 points.
Like Kahoot?
Maybe, I don't play it.
Well,
So
I'd say we need to stop right now and play Kahoot if you've never played.
You never played Kahoot?
This
That's
is
a
like
problem.
an emergency meeting we have to do now.
maybe when we get back.
You're missing out.
Am I?
You are.
Not
Can we
really.
play after this?
What?
After lunch
You
maybe.
say not really?
Or is there educational Kahoot like computer
Yes.
Yeah,
applications?
that's what
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what all
We
the
should do
teachers
esports
Jake,
one, though.
go to
I would
Kahoot
do
and just
that.
look up computers.
When we come back,
quiz.
when we come back.
They'll show a picture of a hard drive.
Wait, what is this?
All right, this is gonna be long, okay? You guys are gonna have to pay attention for this one. James, in your seat properly.
Sorry.
Are you ready? This is gonna take a lot of concentration, okay?
I'm sure.
All right.
Camp.
We don't care about people getting ranked fourth. If they get ranked fourth, they're not
Yeah,
getting
we
any
don't
points for it. We're not even gonna count those, okay?
Honestly.
So we're only gonna count ones, first places, second places, and third places. So I'm gonna say equals 3 times, 3 star. And then we're gonna say count if. And then I'm gonna select the range for Mediterranean in the rankings.
Where's
Um,
Mediterranean? Rain?
Rank, yeah. And I'm going to say comma 1. And then you can close parentheses. And can you guys, let's press enter after that. Let's just stop right there and press
9.
enter. So yeah, before we knew that there were 3 people who ranked it first, and so times 3 would make 9 points, right? I'm now going to edit it up here, because up in this bar, when I press left and right, I can like move in it like it's text. Otherwise, if I did that, it would like move the cell I'm in, and it would edit the formula.
So you write out like equals.
So just
3.
copy this. Yeah, just copy this, and add not the equal sign, but copy it and say plus and paste. And now we're going to give 2 points for second place. So change the 1 to a 2. And then we're going to add a single point for third place positions.
Do we
So-
need an equals? In between, like.
No, just a 1 equals at the left. So altogether,
Oh my god.
I'm counting ones and I'm multiplying
Is
that by
this for
3.
rating?
Rank
Oh, it's rank.
Plus 2 counted.
2 times, so we're doubling the second place points, tripling the first place points, taking the third place points as is, no points for fourth, and
1.
that gives you a border count, they're called. And this is this is another system of voting. Is that okay?
Plus.
Wait, so
Two,
I only have the
3,
3-star
then 2 times
contest.
plus count.
Like what else are we supposed to do?
Did you do the comma 1 and stuff?
So
Dude, you gotta stop doing that. It
Like-
scares me so much.
do we keep
What
putting
is
in
supposed
the
to highlight?
same sheet of data?
Yeah.
I'm going to do this again, okay?
Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
I just really don't.
I'm doing it all again, okay? Equals 3 times, 3 star. Count if, open a parenthesis. This is for Mediterranean, so go to sheet 1, and where it says rank Mediterranean, select that column's worth of data, and then do comma 1, and then press enter.
It says false for me.
Then start again like we're doing.
I have it like I only did 2.
You probably didn't edit it properly. I'll look at it in a minute.
Wait, I got 18.
18? We'll see, we'll see. Alright, so 3 times this should get, when you press enter, does it give you 9?
Yeah.
It
Okay,
did.
good. So go there again, copy starting at 3 and go all the way to the right and hit Control C to copy. And then hit plus and then Control V to paste. I'm going to change the 3 that multiplies it to 2 in this one. And instead of counting the 1s, the first place, I'm going to count the 2s.
Oh, that's right.
Then,
And then add another term, paste it again. This time we're not multiplying by anything, we're just taking a single point and we're counting 3rd place. And all together,
Is it Control C?
Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Once I do that, I have 20 points for Mediterranean.
so instead of the 1 at the end, we put a 3, right?
Yes, yeah.
Error. No. What did I do? Formula pause error. What did I do? What's wrong?
Let me make this bigger for you, maybe. Let me make this big font. Does that help you?
3
Oh, so you don't need
plus
3.
2.
You don't need 3.
Yeah, this is, I'm just,
That's just a plus.
yeah, it's just 1 point for every
Do I
third.
need a star there?
Plus.
Between the 2 and the 3s, yeah, you need stars here and here.
Count if.
Wait. Plus. Star count if. Hold on.
Same range, comma 2, close parenthesis.
Comma 2.
Yeah.
Wait, but modern's also 20.
Uh-oh.
I got 19.
Oh. It's possible they'll get the same points.
Okay.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Hopefully it works now. Error. What is wrong?
Good luck.
I think it's just you.
Not Chris.
It's like you, so you have plus plus at the end. Did you see that?
The plus star.
They get rid of the star.
Is it supposed to be? Oh, it's 20 though.
Now it works.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna
20.
I'm gonna copy this. Okay,
Close enough.
20. What'd you get for medieval?
I'm gonna copy that formula.
Just putting in the number.
Okay.
Follow along. I'm gonna copy that formula in the formula bar up here. So Control C, hit Escape to get out of there, and then go to the modern. I'm gonna paste it, and I'm gonna hit Escape. Notice that the formula is. Oh, I guess I have to press Enter. Sorry. Notice that the formula has column C. The range is the same, but we have to change this for modern. It's going to be column D. So I'm going to have to change my C's to D's in that. So I have 6 D's I need to change. Also 20, yeah. We'll do
Good
this.
job,
We'll do this
Chris.
for log.
20. 20.
Well, we got to change these now to probably F's, I believe. Yeah, F is for the log. They can't all be 20.
Should be 31
I was
next.
going to say, I'm going to lose my mind. $31?
Yes.
Nice, nice. And then, once again, but with column E. Okay.
Wait, so it's F after E, no, it's E, right?
Log is F, medieval is E. All right, so we have different voting systems. Medieval is the winner. I'll make it green background.
Wait, what's log again?
F, column F. For only one vote, Medieval's the winner. What can I do?
Let's go. 41's right.
For rating, Log was the winner. Unless, our data was bad.
Wait, isn't it supposed to be the highest? As in medieval? Oh, no, never mind.
And then multi-vote, Medieval was
Not
again the
sorry.
winner. So this was the first time that I've ever done this where one of the voting systems gave a different winner than the others, which I thought it'd be easy to
Because
see.
Isaiah and Brendan cheated.
Our data was not good, but that's okay.
St. Louis, Dixon, am I right?
I'm not even from Dixon.
Even worse, Oregon.
Is that okay, you guys? You good?
At least it's not in.
I got 19 for Mediterranean. I don't know what I did. No, sorry guys. I'm just
Ruins the
sorry.
vibe.
It's not a big deal as long as it's everything else is okay.
You can always count on Josie to mess it
I
up.
think so.
The other numbers are correct.
Did you keep the
I
one
think
star?
it's, I like,
Chris, don't try to
comparing it,
help
looks
her.
the
So
same.
20, 31,
Josie
41.
will figure it out.
Oh, I didn't do the other ones because I thought it was wrong.
Let me take a look at yours.
Did you change
Otherwise,
27?
let me create a spot in the classroom for you guys to submit your
What
sheets.
is the negative 27?
Brendan's.
What? Oh, who put that for me?
I don't know where that is.
Vote.
I'm just gonna wonder,
I don't
Brendan.
even know.
Brendan.
What, Chris?
Lucas is gonna call us tomorrow at like.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh,
What do you mind?
Tomorrow.
no.
You are. Call us. And hopefully.
Carter, you wanna join her?
It's 12:45.
Oh, what?
You guys may go to
7:30,
lunch.
calling every night. I'm just-
Save, make sure that's saved and you can send it to me afterwards.
Lord have mercy.
All right, people at home, you guys are good to log out.
I want to figure out
Bye!
how we're still today.
We're gonna go to lunch and I'm not sure what we're gonna do when we come back, so you guys are good for today, okay?
This one just figured out.
All right, have a good one.